This video will show you how to replace your rear sway bar links on a Mitsubishi Lancer. You'll have two of these, one on each side on the rear of your vehicle. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. Safely make your way under the rear of the vehicle. Along your lower control arm, next to your rear strut, is where you're going to find your rear sway bar link. Now I've used some penetrant on the hardware. I'm also going to use a wire brush and attempt to clean along the threaded portion right where the mounting nut is, attempting to remove any rust from this area. Now after completing that, the next thing we want to do is use a 14mm for each one of our pieces of hardware. What I want to do first is break them free. After that, we're going to have to hold onto the shaft of the sway bar link, preventing it from spinning so we can remove our mounting nut as well. To hold that shaft, we'll be using a 3/16 Allen head socket. There we are. We'll slide that out of place. Now we'll do the same exact thing for this upper mounting nut. All right, get that off of there. And remove our rear sway bar link. Prior to installation of any brand new part, of course we're going to make sure we clean and inspect the mounting surfaces. I'm going to use a wire brush. We'll make sure nothing's rotted or weak in any way. And now it's time for installation of that brand new rear sway bar link. When you look at the sway bar link, in this instance, to be able to tighten this, our sway bar links have this area on the shaft itself that you can use a thin-walled 14mm wrench to hold the shaft from spinning. Now let's get this in position here. Try to get the top shaft in. We should be able to maneuver the bar around for the lower shaft as well. There we are. We'll start on our brand new hardware. Now I've got my thin-walled 14mm. We'll go right on that shaft. I'm preventing it from spinning. We'll snug it up. Now we'll be torquing this to 29 foot-pounds. Okay friend, we finished the installation of our rear sway bar link. Now the process for one side is the exact same thing as the other. Once you've completed that, go ahead and take your vehicle for a road test. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.